Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Fold 7, and today I'll show you how we can wipe cache partition on this phone. So before you get started, you'll want to grab a cable and plug it into your computer, and then on your phone, swipe down from the top right side, click on the power button and choose power off twice. Next, I'm gonna close the phone, and it's just easier for me to handle, and I don't know if actually the recovery mode is visible on the inside screen, but I guess we can check that out in a second. So to get started, you're gonna hold power button and the volume up at the same time, and the moment you start holding them, you're gonna plug in the cable. Next you will see Samsung and then Galaxy. Let go of the power button when you see the Galaxy. This then redirects us to the recovery mode, and here we can get rid of the cable. We only need it to actually enter this mode. So once we're in here, you'll need to use the volume buttons to navigate up or down depending on which one you press. So with that in mind, let's select wipe cache partition, confirm it using your power button, and select yes. And you can see it really quickly tells you that cache wipe complete. Reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power button once more. And this will reboot the device and bring us back to Android. Now I did want to check if it's visible on the inside screen, but I kind of forgot, so I guess we didn't check it. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.